Here's a run through the slim beverage holder mock-up. This is an animated mock-up. To get your design on there, you've got this step one. Oh, before I start, make sure you've got timelines turned on. So that's Windows timeline. If you don't see this bar at the bottom, this section at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, to get your design on there, the first thing is to select this step one in the layer palette here, and double click that. Don't do anything in here except for step 2, which is double click that thumbnail, and then you place your design in there by using file, place embedded, or copy and paste, whatever you feel like. The only important thing is to do is once you've placed your design and you've positioned it, is to close this smart object and make sure you say yes. So close this section, don't need to do anything here, but you do need to say yes. And then when you're ready, you can use this scrubber here to do a quick preview. Everything looks sensible. When you're happy, click this burger menu here, and you should see a render video option there. These are the default settings, and you shouldn't need to change any of these other than select a folder where you want to save it and give it a file name. And then when you're ready, click the render, and then depending how fast your machine is, you're looking at a minute or two to render that out. To make the different color, all you need to do is open this Tumblr folder here and look for color overlay. There's two. There's one for the top. I don't think they do anything but black at the moment, but they might in the future. So double click color overlay on the holder, and then you can choose whatever color you like. Click OK when you're ready. You can change the metal, not the can, but the underlying metal of the holder. To do that, you go into this blue one here. If you double click that, you've then got various color options: rainbow, gold, and copper. So you select one you want, close it and say yes again. And there you go. If you don't want the can, you can turn that off. You just need to open up the Tumblr here and turn off the can, but you'll also see there's a slight highlight there from the reflections, so there's an alternative reflections you need to turn off. So reflections, turn off this one and turn on the one above. If you need to change the background, you can do so by double clicking background and then placing your own one in there. I don't think there's anything else to cover.